Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rachel and I'm a fashion reseller over on Poshmark. So as you've read in the description, this is going to be an unboxing. This is the ThredUP do-it-yourself designer box. This is the first time I've ever purchased one of these, so I am really excited to show you what is in here. If you want to come along with me and see what's in this box, continue to watch. All right, so I have already went in here and opened this just because I was so excited. I wanted to see what was in there and I wanted to see what kind of brands I got. So I do need some help with at least one of these brands, maybe more than one. So yeah, comment below if you guys happen to know any information about some of these brands or any advice that you may have. Alrighty, so first things first. Here is my receipts. So it says mixed rescue box do-it-yourself designer. This is $90. They do free shipping on anything over $75, so I paid $90 total for this box. So there's that. All right, they did have this wrapped up with some paper and everything, but I went ahead and took it out. So the first thing I got was this jacket. And I will say right off the bat, there's a lot of flaws with this jacket. I'm hoping I can soak it and maybe get some of these out, but I have never found this brand in clothing. I've always just found it in shoes. So it's Salvatore Ferragamo. I'm not really sure how to pronounce that, guys, so you guys can help me out. But here it is. It is made in Italy, which is nice. It just looks very dated and very flawed. Like, I'm sure you guys can see this on the camera. It does have this really pretty lining, so I don't know if it's like a reversible jacket, because it could be, because it is lined all the way down the sleeve and such. But there is just a lot of damage going on, a lot of stains going on, and I did notice there was a pull somewhere around the pocket. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, yeah, here's one. You can just see the stitching has come undone, and I think there's even one on the other side. So yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna try to clean it up best I can, but with the stains on this, I mean, I just don't know. There's even a bleach stain here. So for resale value, I probably am not going to get much out of this, but you guys let me know what you think. Next is this bag. This is a Longchamp bag. I have heard of a lot of people. I know Denali gets these a lot, and when she orders her do-it-yourself designer. Now these retail for $150 new, so not a huge resale value. This one definitely has some marks on here. I don't know if that's just normal wear or whatever, because this bag is like a canvas material, but it is like a green, olive green. But here's this. I'm not sure if that is like normal wear, but here's the back. So it says that it's the Le Pliage Longchamp shopping bag. So yeah, it does have this. This is really nice. The inside is dirty as well. So definitely going to have to clean this up and just do a little bit of research. Honestly, I don't think that's going to sell for a lot. Next is this. This is actually really pretty. It's just a really pretty scarf, and the brand is Dior. There we go. But there was a pull, and that's the reason that I opened this first, was I wanted to look for flaws. So there's a pull here, and I think there was even a pull somewhere else on one of the corners. Now, of course, I'm not, there it is. Yeah, so see how there's these pulls. It is dirty as well. You can tell on just some of the cream areas that it's dirty. So I'm going to soak that and just see if it comes out. All right, so this is what I need help with. So this is a bag. It's like a snakeskin. It's leather, but it's really not in the best of condition. I hope this will show up. There's just a lot of wear on the corners, and there was even just some areas where you could tell that there was just a lot of wear. Like, look here, and just right here, there's just a lot of wear going on with this bag. And oh, I didn't realize that this was in here. Oh, what is this? A little key fob. Okay, so it's Furla. Never heard of it, guys. I'm terrible. I just don't find a lot of designer items where I'm at, but it does have that, and there is some paperwork in here, so that is really nice. I don't know, it fits, okay, so it just kind of talks about the company and stuff, so I'll have to look over that. But yeah, the inside is really clean, and I don't see any damage or marks in there. Here is the tag. So I need some help with this bag. I mean, it feels like it's constructed really well and everything works. The magnet works there. And the straps are actually in pretty good condition overall. It's just the bag. So I'm hoping maybe I could leather condition this. And oh, there's a big mark there. Look at that. Definitely gonna have to soak this. I didn't notice that before. So yeah, definitely a do-it-yourself bag for sure. Have some cleaning to do on that one. All right, so here's the rain boots. Not really sure. I've never really found Marc Jacobs before. So, and they're in okay condition. You can definitely tell that they have been worn. But I would say in overall, they're in pretty good condition. Here's the soles. So, has their 25. So, it looks like they were sold for 25 at a Goodwill or something. Size 38, which is a US 8. Yeah, I mean, here they are. I don't know. There's nothing super fancy about these or anything. There's some marks. It looks like they could just be cleaned up. Next, we have these sunglasses. Now, these I'm not going to be able to do anything with. And I'll show you why. Okay, so look at the lenses. They are just so scratched up. See there? Yeah, I don't know if that will come clean or not. I don't think so. They're very scratched. Honestly, they feel super cheap too. But it says that it's Christian Dior as well. Hold on. There we go. Oh, there it is. So yeah, I don't know. Honestly, maybe I'll try to get my money back on these at least, but they're just not super impressed with those, to be honest. All right, last but not least, we have these. This is a brand that I recently found out about. I had someone contact me. She said she had a pair that she wanted to sell me. And I paid like $15 and I sold them for $100. So that was a pretty good flip, but these are not in as good of condition as the ones that I got. So the brand is Manolo Blahnik. I'm not great at pronouncing these names, but anyway, they're cute. They're silver, just pumps. There's not a lot of wear on them. There's definitely, oh, well, I spoke too soon. There's definitely some wear back here. And here is the bottom. So these are a size 39.5, which is a 9.5, made in Italy. So yeah, they're not in the best condition. Someone will purchase them. This one's a little bit better as far as the condition goes. But yeah, anyway, so that's what I got in the box. I really want to know your feedback about this box because I'm not really sure how I feel about it, to be honest. So leave your comments below, and if you can help me with any of these brands, don't forget to comment as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.